Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys a Frank Garcia studio haul. I was able to stop in finally the other day and I was just so overwhelmed with all the products that were in there. I know you can go online and order these items, but some of them he doesn't have on the online store. So if you're able to stop in, I would highly suggest it. Of course, his studio is absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and stop gabbing and show you what I picked up. So most of the items that I picked up are all paper, with the exception of, I think, 2 items. I've already cleared up and organized a lot of my papers, and now I guess I'm just replenishing it. So let me move this out of the way. First, let me share with you guys this origami paper that is from Memory Place. I've never seen this. I do remember that he has another pack with different designs. This is called Floral Tapestry. You get 4 designs and 6 sheets. I actually got this for a specific project in mind. Actually didn't work out, but I can always use this for decoupage. This was $4.99. Sorry for that glare. And it does give you a template or directions to make this heart in here. So I'm not going to take it out. I have a lot to show you. So here are the patterns. It's very floral and very like vintage, so that's why I picked this up. I also picked up 2 more of the Craft Perfect mirror card. If you guys remember, Anna had gifted me the holographic one for my birthday. So I saw that he had the pink and the blue, and the camera is not doing this justice, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So this is Tidal Wave. And just look at that shift in color. And then this one is Petal Pink. Do you see like that rainbow going through it? So pretty. So these are 8.5 by 11. They have 5 sheets, and I hoard this stuff because I absolutely love it. So I did go a little Minte crazy. I really haven't picked up a lot of their collections that's been coming out, and their papers are absolutely gorgeous. I opted to get more the 6x6 because I'm not a scrapbooker, and the large sheets, they are so gorgeous, but they're made more for doing like layouts and things like that. So to me, those papers would go to waste. So this one is called Beauty in Bloom. They are double-sided. And this quality of paper is absolutely gorgeous. So let me share with you what those papers look like. And I will do a quick flip through. And even the back and front covers are utilized, which I think is genius. So here are some cut aparts. I love the imagery, and the colors are just, oh, look at that. That is one of my favorites. And then it repeats itself. And then on the front cover, again, here are the cut aparts. So that's Beauty in Bloom. I also picked up a Dreamer, and this one has blues and purples and pinks, which I am a huge fan of. So here, do you see like all those cut aparts? I think I can scan this into my brother's Scan and cut those out, or you can always fussy cut them. And then again on the front cover. So I'll do a quick flip through. And then it repeats itself. So you do get quite a bit of each design, which I like, because sometimes I don't have enough. So here are those. I also went and got their, I don't know what these are called. These are paper pads with elements for fussy cutting. And I really wanted these two. I got the Wing book and the Flora 2 book. I don't know if they have a Flora 1, but if they do, I want to get that one too. And really, the Wing book I got mainly just for the butterflies. So these are 6x8. And even the back side, I mean, I can definitely use that if I don't want a fussy cut. Like, I'm not into these type of bugs and stuff, and I don't see myself ever using them. Here are, I think, moths. Look at the beautiful butterflies. And they actually have them labeled on the side. Birds. Birds. Insects. And then it repeats itself. So there are plenty of butterfly sheets to make it worth it for me to pick this up. And like I said, even the back side is gorgeous, so I can use that front or back. Then of course I had to pick up the floral one. So this is Flora book 2, and this one has solid color on the back. There's also some leaves. Gorgeous. And there's different color tones, different sizes. Like, look at these itty bitty ones. And then, like I said again, it repeats itself. So these are great. They also have a tag book. I don't know why that's the only one I can remember, but make sure to check out his website. He has them all online. I will make sure to put his link in the description box below. The two embellishments that I picked up were these sparklets. This is the first time that I've picked up any sparklets, but I had to get these blue, like, iridescent stars. And then these hearts, so there's white or clear, red, and pink. I love anything with hearts in them. Then the rest of my haul are 12x12 sheets. I will quickly go through them. I believe these are all Minte except for sheets from Frank's line. So this is Minte Forever Young. I love this collection, but not for the A side, I would call it, like the main imagery. It's more like a carnival theme, but I love, love, love the colors. So I actually got them for the B side. Look at this gorgeous rainbow. There's like a bokeh effect in the background. I don't know if you guys can see. So look how gorgeous this is, but I mean, I don't know what I'd ever use it for. So I got it for this side. Again, with the bokeh and the blues and slight greens that are in there. Here's the next one. These are all from the same collection, Forever Young. I am loving the yellow. So this one is the pink. It's still going to be hard for me to cut these up. This one with the carousel. They just did an amazing job with this, and I wish I could use it more for like the entire collection. And the yellow. I am really loving the yellow lately. So I picked up a couple from Happy Place, and I don't know why I didn't pick up the 6x6. I might have not seen it, but I just picked up 2 sheets from my favorite patterns. So of course this one with the blue background and the blue and pink roses. And there's some frames on the back. Telling you, I'm loving the yellow. So it has the yellow and the pink and the blue. It's more like a green, but to me it reads yellow. The gingham on the back. And then these are the 2 sheets I picked up from Frank's Just Like Magic collection. So this one's Midnight Magic. Beautiful roses and Cinderella's shoe on the pillow. And this looks like his wall right behind his cash register, actually. Gorgeous. And then this one with all the princesses. I love these butterflies on here. This is called Royal Court. And even the back is gorgeous. Look at this marbling. And then last but not least, I did pick up some of his clearance 12 by 12 papers. These are half off, so they will vary from like 50 cents to like 75 cents, I believe. So I picked up this one sheet from Maggie Holmes Heritage. I don't have any of that collection, but I love this yellow florals and the blue with the like mauve background. I'm sure you guys have all seen that. I did find some Doodlebug. These are from Love Notes, which I believe was this year's collection for Valentine's Day. But I can't help myself when it comes to Doodlebug. This striped one. The colors are just so vibrant. This does remind me of a different collection. No, this was 2019. But I do have something similar. This floral. I also grabbed some older Minte. So this is Wanderlust. I just love the florals. And this paperweight is so thick. This one is from Love Letters. It's a little toned down than what I normally work with, but I still love it. And this one is from Old Manor. I absolutely fell in love with this, so I did grab 2 of these. This shade of blue is my absolute favorite. So that is what I picked up from Frank's studio. Please be sure to check out his website or stop in if you can. I was able to see him when he was there, so that was great catching up for a little bit. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. Let me know which one your favorite was of the items that I showed, and I will be back really soon with another video. Bye guys.